Hello. So you want to know how to submit your shape AutoCAD drawing to the Dropbox? Well, I'm going to be showing you right now. Currently, I'm enrolled into our course hub as a student view, as you can see right here. So what I'm going to be doing is clicking into assignments. And this is what you should see at this time. There's only 3 assignment folders active. I'm the teacher, so I have not submitted the first 2, as you can see. But I will be submitting the shape drawing right now. So how this works is you're going to be selecting it, and you're going to be going to add a file. And I store these drawings on my computer, so I'm going to be selecting my computer and selecting upload. At this time, I'm going to be scrolling into my semester 2 folder and my AutoCAD drawings, and I'm going to be selecting shape. Now you may see this file here, shape.bak. Do not upload that one. You don't need it. It's not of any use to myself or you. Just select the AutoCAD file, the .dwg file. So highlight this one, hit open. You can see it here, shape.dwg, and then select add, and we'll see it here. And then scroll down and hit submit. At this point, it should say file submission successful, and then you can select, and also we'll send a confirmation email to you to let you know it worked. And then you can select done, and it will bring you back to the assignment folder, and it will say 1 submission, 1 file. So you can begin to upload your shape drawings to this assignment folder Dropbox, and when the other assignment folders are created for the further drawings, you can submit those the same way as shown in this video. Thank you very much, and have a great day.